I'm a data scientist intern at Kamali NC. My responsibilities here is that I do have to retrieve the data, analyze the data, and cleanse the data for developing the machine learning models. And I do have to scale them across using distributed systems. I'm a very curious person, and when I came across Google Maps, I wanted to know how does that work. And I researched about it on Google and understood that it's machine learning. And my curiosity for machine learning, I started searching for the machine learning things, some courses, and what exactly is it. And then I came across Insight, and that's how my journey of choosing this data science started. I started my journey in 2020 as a part of the data influencer. In Insight, we do have some projects on individual levels as well as capstone level. So when we did had to do a project in a group, then I did share my notes with my cohorts, and that's they really loved my code notes, and they really it really helped them to somewhat on a very good scale, and they often asked me about my notes. Then that's where it started out, influencing people or helping people through my content. And now I'm also helping a lot, thousands of people by my content, sharing it across the social media. Data science is really growing a lot, and I've seen that in this year itself, computer vision applications have taken a good adaptation in various industries. So here we have seen in applications like human pose estimations, even object or vehicle detections on a very high scale. So in NLP part, Google have came through a new release, that is Google Lambda, which is language model dialogue applications, which kind of is an interaction with the machine itself. We can interact machine regardless of the topic, whatever the topic you are. So this is itself a huge trend, or it's something, a huge achievement in the data science part. So I'm looking forward for it. Till now, as of now, it's working on text, but in future we can see that it will be through. It's on a trial period, so we will be further. We will be seeing into images as well as videos. So little excited for that. My data science journey started in 2019, and I've also joined Insight in 2019 itself. The challenges I faced was not giving a realistic end goals. Like what I was happening was I was learning a lot. In data science, there's a lot of things to learn, and we do have to learn it step by step. So it's very important to give a deadlines, or to keep a specific goal to when to achieve what. So it should be a realistic ones, but first of all, it's very much important to have a community which you work with, because it becomes quite easier to help each other and work learn together. And also the challenge that I had is that I had a lot of problems when I came across some explaining things. The challenges that I fear, not asking for the feedback. So it's very important to ask for feedbacks. It really helped me a lot in my data science journey when I started enrolled in 2019 for an Insight batch. They made data science interesting and more approachable. It was not something that it was like a mountain to climb on. It was a very small thing, and I was like very much interesting. We went through step-by-step processes, and that which made it much more easier. And I have to say that Insight has the world's best faculty here. They are very supportive, and also the academics team is very supportive. They helped me in all my ups and downs. Like whenever I had a doubt, they really did replied me well on time itself. They helped me through all the challenges that I faced up with the projects, or with even the content that providing. So I'm really thankful that I have joined Insight, because they are providing you much more than what you have asked for. It's not just the money that they are taking, they are giving a lot of values, and even thanks to them, we are having an industry interactions also. So we do know that how industry is working, what projects they are taking in this industry, what are the trends, or what we have to learn, or what application should we go through, what projects that we should do in, that will really help us grow as an individual and also in a career too. Okay, advice that I would give is that start with coding. So coding is must for data so to become a data scientist. But don't think that coding is really hard. It's you can start with R or Python, but I would suggest you Python because there are a lot of resources, and Python community is really very helpful. So you can definitely go for Python. I can't say it's easy because sometimes people may find it something hard, but I can say it's approachable. So you can definitely go for Python. Then you have to also learn how to deal with the data. So you will be learning that if you how to deal with it. There are different packages like NumPy, Pandas, and even Matplots. This is a kind of which will help you to grasp the concepts very easily, even when you're working with deep learning concepts. So it's very much important to go step by steps. So the third part that you have to do is that learn ML, like machine learning, and then only go for deep learning. Don't directly jump to deep learning because that may bring you a lot of more difficulties in some concepts or mathematical which you need to learn. So it's better not to skip anything just for the trends, but it's always good to go step by step. So this is what I do suggest you.